Okay, so let me start from the very start. So from the very start today, I will start the science. So Derek, do you remember those 5 steps of study of science? Do you remember, Derek? If you don't, say me. Say me if you don't remember.
No.
Okay. So only Ronit is aware about those 5 steps that are POC, PHPOC. The first one was problem or prospect, and the second one was hypothesis. The third one is experiment. The fourth one is observation, and then conclusion. Now, why I'm always focusing on these 5 steps? There is a reason behind that. And the reason is actually whenever you will be having a problem, you will first think that what is the solution for this? That is the hypothesis. And then you will perform whatever you think accordingly. And that is the experiment. And then you will observe whatever happening in your experiment. And then you will reach to a conclusion. You will find out a result. So that's why I always focus on these steps, because this should be the thought process. Always you have to go through these steps. Only whenever you have a problem, just make a hypothesis and then do some experiment and then observe it and then conclude. Okay. So in my last class, when I was taking your class, I have started a matter, if you remember.
Yes.
Yes. What is matter?
Everything that has mass or anything.
I can't hear you.
Can't hear. That I say, what is matter? Can you explain what is matter?
Uh, Everything that takes place.
Okay. And matter is anything have three properties. First one is having mass. Anything having mass. Okay. Anything having mass. Got it? The second thing, anything. What I am saying is anything occupying space. Okay. And anything which can be felt on skin, on your skin. Okay. Now, let me ask you, water is matter? Mic's on.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Air is matter, Jeremy. Air is matter.
Yes.
And light is matter.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
That is saying yes.
Because last time you said that light does have does have mass.
Not
Eh?
light is not a matter. It don't have mass. So if it don't have mass, How it can be matter? Matter is something or anything which will be having mass. Have mass, it will not be a matter. But be very clear, very clear. And how will you be able to find out that something is having mass? It will be finded out in two ways. Either it will be having weight or exerting force. Okay? Just like air, you can't feel the weight of air, but you can feel the force exerted by the air. Can you feel it? Now, let's talk about light. You can't feel the weight of light. And there is light falling on you. Definitely, light is striking on you, and that's why you are visible. So, do you feel any pressure by the light? If you'll increase the volume of light, will you feel extra,
No.
Jeremy? No.
No. But I feel different. But I feel different outside when the sun is out.
That is not the force. That is due to the energy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Energy. Okay. So now, and also the third one can be felt on skin. Can you feel the light on your skin? Can you feel it?
No.
Never.
Only
Can't,
heat.
can't feel it. Only heat. Good. Heat can be felt. So heat is energy actually. So in this way, what I can say, in this universe, there are two things. The one is matter and the other one is, oh, Ronit is waiting. Ronit, is there any network problem? Ronit.
Yeah, sir. I restarted my laptop because my camera wasn't working.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Now, so Ronit, can you feel the light on your skin?
Can I seal the light on my skin?
I am asking you, can you feel
Uh,
light on your skin?
No.
No, good. So there are three things which will be deciding about a matter, that something having mass, occupying a space, and can be felt on skin is called as matter. Okay, now, anyone can say me what are the types of matter?
Liquid.
Okay, and
Liquid, gas, and
Solid and gas.
Derek, what do you think? What a matter? Huh? How many types are there? Now, in actual, there are two types of matter, not the three. These three, what you are saying, is not the types of matter. Those are physical state of matter. What? Physical states. Got it? Now, in actual, there are three basic physical states, but there are two types. The two types, first of all, we will study about the types of matter. Okay. And these two types are, the first one is pure, and the second one is impure. So tell me, what do you understand about something being impure?
I don't know, sir.
Anyone else? No one. Okay.
I don't know what it says right there.
I told you, do you know what is pure and what is impure?
No.
And Jeremy,
I don't know.
okay. So you don't know what is pure. It's okay. No problem at all. I am here to explain you what is pure and what is impure. So first of all, let me explain you. If there are boys all around in a field, boys in a field, okay, so incidentally a girl entered in the field. Now say me, what do you think? Now earlier it was pure when boys were there, or now it is pure when a girl entered in it? Tell me.
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, anyone else? Derek?
Oh,
Okay,
No.
do you know something which you can say it is pure? Do you know something which you can say it?
No.
You don't know anything as a pure. Oops.
I know,
What?
like gold. You can say that the gold is pure gold and doesn't have any other materials.
Okay, good. This is the chemical definition you are saying. What I'm asking, do you know anything which can be said as pure? Do you know anything which can be said as pure? No. Let me take an example. Water. What is what?
Water.
There is a formula for water. Anyone?
Hmm?
Anyone who knows there is a formula for water?
Hydrogen
H2O.
plus something.
Okay, good. It's
Hydrogen plus
H2O.
something.
H2O. It's H2O exactly.
Hydrogen and oxygen.
Yes. It's H2O. Very good. So this is the formula for water. Okay. Now, water is a pure thing because it has only H2O in it and nothing else. Okay. Do you understand? Now, pure means something which will be having only one sort of thing, only a same kind of thing, same kinds of particles in actual. What is particles? Okay. Now, let me explain you in another way. There are red colored balls everywhere. Red colored.
Is it only red?
Remy, what Derek? What you said?
Is it only red? Or is it another color? Because I seen like there are other colors.
I'm unable to understand you, Derek. Say it again.
Never mind.
Don't mind. Okay. So let me tell you about impure something. This is also known as mixture. Now do you understand that what is impure means?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So what is impure means? If I will insert black colored balls in these red balls,
Oh, so that's what he meant.
yeah, correct. Now I understood. Okay, so this one is known as what? Now this one is,
Impure.
but if I will be having only red colored balls, that means for what? Pure. Got it?
Yes.
Very,
Yes.
very good. Now I'm proceeding further. Okay. Now, actually, I need not to explain you this pure and impure. I will be explaining you this in next lectures. Today, what I am going to teach you, that is the states of matter only, means the second one thing, the matter. What I wanted you to understand, that whenever someone asks you that what are the types of matter, what are the
Types of matter.
and you will not be saying it to be three types of matter are
2.
pure and impure, and these three which you are saying as to be types of matter, these are in actual what?
Hmm?
Physical
Hmm.
states. Physical states.
Okay.
Physical states is just like a solid, liquid, and gas. So these are the three basic physical states. Okay. Now what is solid? So before studying solid, liquid, or gas, I want you to understand something. What I study in chemistry, that is something which resides inside you. Means I will be studying something inner thing. It's just like I observe Ronit from the outside and I understood that Ronit is a naughty boy. Got it? So this is what chemistry do. Chemistry observes something from the outside and decides about what is inside is going on.
So that's why it's called physical.
No. Physical is something other than the chemistry. Physical chemistry, that's which will be studying only from the outer surface. Now chemistry has its own three parts that I will be discussing in, I think, if you will be some more bigger. Okay,
Okay.
good. Chemistry has three parts: physical, inorganic, and organic. Okay, so basically that will be studied in higher classes, higher standards. Now what I wanted you to understand, that matter is always made up of tiny particles. Matter is always made up of,
Tiny particles.
good, tiny particles. Okay, now these fingers are like this. Can you say it as to be solid?
No.
Yes, I think.
No.
When can you say it to be solid?
It can.
No.
This is solid.
No.
No. This is
No.
moving. If I,
It's
If it's solid, then the fingers won't move.
yeah. In actual, I'm not saying about the fingers. Fingers are, one finger is solid. That's it. Okay. What I'm saying, fingers are moving like this. Can you say them as solid?
Is the
No.
skeleton is
When
solid.
fingers are attached with each other like this. Now, this is known as solid punch. You know, solid punch. Yes or not?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe it's not a maybe. It's yo. Just try it once. Okay. When you will apply a force, means when you will beat someone with fingers, open fingers, will it be effective? Will it be solid? Certainly not. But when these will be mixed with each other and will be sorted like this will be what? Solid. Got it? Done it. What are you doing? I think you are busy somewhere else.
No, sir, I'm right.
What chemistry teaches? And I'm a chemist. Okay, I'm a chemistry teacher. I'm a chemistry lecturer. Okay. So I understood everything. Got it? Now, what actually I wanted you to understand that when I'm saying about solid, it means the particles, these particles of which matter is made up, these particles are binded with each other with very strong force of attraction, and they are all together. It's just like, have you ever heard unity has what?
No. No.
Unity has
No.
unity has strength. Understood?
Yes.
So when something will be united, that will be strengthful. Okay. And since that is strengthful, that is known as solid, because it can't be broken easily. They can't be separated easily. Understood?
Yes.
Like these fingers are lonely moving here and there. One can hold your finger and break it. But if your fingers are collectively made a punch, now it's what? Now it's solid. It can't be broken down very easily. Okay. Solid is something like this. Okay. And because all the particles are holding each other with a very strengthful force of attraction, that's why they can't move anywhere. Understood? They can't move anywhere. Now, what in the liquid? In the case of liquid, there is some less force of attraction between these particles. Among these particles, there will be some low amount of force of attraction. Means the force of attraction will be lower than what? Solid. Got it or not?
Yes.
Now, tell me one thing. I'm correlating with it with energy. Means power. Energy means power. Are you agree?
Yes.
Everyone agree?
Yes. Yes.
So tell me, name two most powerful nations of the world. Most powerful nation. Anyone? Ronit? Jeremy?
Can you
No
repeat?
idea, sir.
No idea. Okay, leave it. In your class, there will be definitely some boy who will be very strengthful. Is there someone?
Light.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Does he ever fought with you?
No.
And direct? No. Jeremy, no. Okay. Will you be able to fight with him?
Maybe.
Maybe. You think you are powerful. In actual, lonely you can't be fighting with him. If you'll fight, you will definitely lose. But what will happen if 5 or 10 students will unite with each other and fight with them? Tell me. Tell me. Who will be winning? These 5 and 10 students who are united now will be winning. Tell me one thing. Why they got
I don't know.
No, you don't. Hey, you don't. Tell me one thing. Let's understand with some other example. Okay. Like, what game do you play? Tell me the game you play. All of you.
Roblox.
Fortnite, Minecraft.
I'm asking about outdoor game.
No, I don't play it.
Oh,
Hide and
Because
seek.
because my mom
Football.
doesn't my mom doesn't let me go outside.
okay. And what about Jeremy? What do you play?
Football,
What?
football, basketball, like
Basketball. Okay.
yeah.
So Jeremy told me hide and seek, and Jeremy told me basketball. I will go with the basketball. Every one of you aware what is basketball game?
Yes.
Very good. Basketball game needs a team. You know? Okay.
Yes.
There are two teams, A and B. Okay. A has only one player and B has 7 players. Who will be winning? Who will be winning?
Can you repeat?
7 players.
There are two teams. Team A has 1 player only. Team B has 7 players. Who will be winning? Which team will be winning?
The 7 ones. 7.
7-1 will be winning.
Team with has 7.
Good, good, good. And what you can say, if these 7 will fight with each other, means not will be playing for the same thing, but they will extract balls from each other, just wanted to goal by themselves. Now who will be winning?
The one person.
The one person will be winning. Because they are not playing in actual, they are scoring the balls from each other. Okay. Yes. Each one of them wanted to goal by themselves. So whenever something is united, that will be having more energy. But
Yes.
something united will be having more energy, and this energy is actual potential energy. What energy? Potential. Potential. Okay. That is another kind of energy that I am going to explain you in some other way. There is another kind of energy. Is kinetic energy. You will be understanding this very easily. Okay, when session will expire itself, you have to just reconnect right then. Okay, after
Okay.
5 minutes it will disconnect. Just connect right then. Okay. Now, potential energy. Potential energy is due to the position. What? Position. Now there is kinetic energy. This is due to the movement. If you will move, definitely you will be using energy. And that energy will be known as what? Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
Now, so tell me, in this case, they are far from each other. They will be moving easily or not?
Yes,
And why?
Yes,
Why?
because
because
they are
they're
apart.
separate.
They have
They're
some
separate.
space.
They have more space.
Yes, they have more space.
They have some space to travel, to move. Okay. Who will be having more kinetic energy? More kinetic energy. Tell me,
Water,
solid or liquid?
the
Hmm? Liquid have
liquid.
more kinetic energy. Okay. Now, when we go to the gas, what is going to be happen? Now, these particles which are in liquid like this, now in the gaseous case, in the case of gas, one particle will be here and the other particle will be here, and the other particle will be on your desktop screen. Okay. So they don't have any boundary. They can travel anywhere. But in the case of liquid state, they have a fixed boundary. They have what?
First,
Boundary. So they have limited amount of energy. Which energy? Kinetic energy. Got it? They have limited amount of kinetic energy. But in the case of gas, they have high amount of kinetic energy. Got it? And this kinetic energy will be gained by heating. When you will heat something, that something will gain kinetic energy. Got it or not?
yes,
That's why when you will heat a solid, it will convert into,
liquid.
and when you will heat a liquid, it will convert into
Gas.
gas. Got it? So this is because of what? Energy. And one more thing. This is a case. Okay. This is a case. What I'm saying, if there is a winter or too cold around, and this is a bench, you know, this is a bench on which there are 4 students needed to be sit. 4 students, 1, 2, 3, 4. They will sit easily. Got it? So in the case of winter, there will be less heat. That's why they can sit easily like this. These particles are adjusted here, close to each other. But when there will be summer, mid of summer or starting of summer, there will be some heat. They will try to separate from each other. They will try or not.
Yes,
Okay. And when there will be fierce heat, when there will be fierce heat, a lot of heat, then they will try to sit very far from each other. Got it? So which one is
yes,
having highest heat energy?
gas.
Gas. And the lowest one?
Sorry.
Got it?
Yes,
Very good. And due to the less heat energy, solid get united. Okay. These circles, what I say, these circles are told as
body.
particles. Very good. I'm also learning something from you. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know?
No.
No. Yes. What do you think? What am I learning from you?
I don't know.
You don't know. Derek?
Hmm.
I'm learning your accent. Okay.
Okay.
And why I wanted to say this is because whenever two bodies,
Two
two
bodies.
bodies, body A and body B will be in contact with each other, if they will contact with each other, they will definitely exchange something. But they will interact with each other. Okay. And this interaction will be studied in chemistry. This is the chemistry. So what I'm studying here, this is the science basically, which is at large level, yeah, at a root level known as chemistry. So do you understand what is solid?
Yeah.
Good. You understand, but you